Hey, hello, and welcome. I am Laura, and one thing I want to show you how to do today is great for small businesses. You have an email list, maybe, or you're thinking about starting an email list, but you would like to offer something to encourage people to come and join. Just a little something, some information, some knowledge, something that you are an expert in, that you know your followers, your members are going to find informative and valuable. And it's great to be adding this into an email list. So someone signs up for your email list as a subscriber and you send them a little gift, something in return. Maybe it's to say thank you really for signing up and trusting you and your business. But what do you give? You don't want to give anything huge, no courses, nothing hugely valuable. Don't give everything away all in one go, but maybe answer some questions, FAQs, maybe about your services or your products, a little something that is going to help the person who signed up to your email list make a step forward, maybe in their own business or their life. You can actually create this in Canva using Canva AI. And it's really, really simple. I showed some members once this, how to do this. And they were like, wow, that's really interesting. That's really good. Saves a lot of time and it gives them something they can offer very, very quickly. So that's what I want to show you how to do today. I'm going to head over to my screen and I'm going to dive straight in on how to do this. Right, so here we are on my Canva account, and the first thing we need to do is go to the AI section. Click Canva AI in the left-hand bar. Your icon may look different to mine. It's Canva 2.0 is rolling out throughout June. So click on Canva, and then you have this box come up here. Underneath, you will have these 5 different options where you can create designs, images, documents, Canva code, love Canva code, and short video clips. Now, this is where we are going to create this mini lead magnet for our email list. Click on doc. We are going to create a document so you can download this as a PDF. Now, this is where you need to put in the information. So you need to have an idea on what is going to be in this document, this mini lead magnet. I am going to ask Canva AI to please create, I always say please to AI, please create a list of 5 problems business owners find with their social media. And can you please answer those problems? I'm going to say issues instead of problems. Please create a list of 5 issues business owners find when with their social media, and can you please answer those issues and give valuable feedback to the business owner. So this is where you need to write down what you want to what you want to be in this lead magnet. So please create 5. It doesn't have to be 5, it could be whatever you want, but you want to give them value. So please list 5 things that are most useful for jewelry making clients, or 10 tips to help business owners with their social media, or 15, 20 inspirational quotes people can use on their socials. So something that's connected to your business that's going to help someone else. So that's the information we need. We could also have 5 things that help parents with feeding their babies. If you're in a baby feeding a baby business, for example. Just trying to think of some ideas off the top of my head that you could use for different businesses. So I've basically asked you to create a list of 5 issues that business owners have with their socials. Actually, that's a better word than find. Have with us social media, and can you please answer those issues and give valuable feedback to the business owner? So I'm not asking a huge amount here. I'm just asking for the basic information to begin with. The great thing is going forward, Canva 2.0, you can do things like applying your brand, or you can upload graphics from your computer if you want it to be in that style of. So there's other things you can do here as well. But let's just go for this simple prompt as a document type. I could, do I want it as a blog post, a summary, outline, social post, description, article? I've got these different types as well. So I want this as, let me have a little look, see what we've got here. I want it to answer 5 issues that business owners have. So I'm going to ask it to give it to me as an article, and then this could be used as my lead magnet. Click submit, and Canva will create this for you. Okay, so it's now working on my article. I love the fact that I can now say what I want it to actually have, what the style is. So the article, the blog post, that kind of thing. I wish there was a list in there. That would be a nice one to have, a list. So it's now created a title, distinct issues, explanations and solutions. So I've now got 5 common social media challenges business owners face and how to solve them. Social media is no longer optional for modern businesses. It's one of the most important ways to build visibility, trust, and customer relationships. So it's giving me a little bit of information. Issue 1, not enough time to manage social media consistently. A little bit of information about the problem and the solution, lower engagement and reach, difficulty creating content that can resonate. So it's given me my 5 different issues, a little bit of information, and the solution underneath. It's made it look half decent. I could maybe add some elements, I could add some color to this design as well, but I could use this as is. This is what I wanted to show you. One prompt, one document very, very quickly. Read through. That is probably my biggest takeaway from using this with any AI, no matter what. Read through the content and make sure it is right. You are the expert in your business. This is information that you are an expert in. So you should know whether this is 100% right or not. If it's not, it needs to be changed and made correct. So that is, I cannot express that enough. Do read through and make sure everything in the document that Canva AI creates for you is 100% correct. If it's not, you can edit straight away. You can edit this no matter how you want. It's like a Word document, but it's in Canva. And now, once it's right, once you've got everything you love, you can click share, move me out the way, download, and you can download it as PDF and pop it into your email process when you are sending out automations to your new email list. I really hope that has been helpful. I hope that you can understand how very simply and very quickly you can now create a lead magnet, a small lead magnet that is going to help your audience using Canva AI. There you go. That's it. Very simple, very quickly. One prompt. Canva creates the content for you. Read through it. Make sure it's 100% factually correct before you download it. Then you can put it into your email process, into your email, I can't think of the word, but format as an automation to go out when someone signs up to your email list. That's it from me. I'm Laura. I'm a certified Canva community trainer, Canvassador, and Canva creator, and I love bringing videos to you that will help you within your business. So please do make sure that you come and follow my channel because I have so many more videos available for you going forward.